Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of photography accessories and exploring one of the best camera bags out there. Introducing the TULLIO small camera bag for photographers. This camera bag isn't just your average gear carrier. It's designed with the needs of photographers in mind, offering functionality, style, and durability all in one compact package. Let's delve into what makes the TULLIO small camera bag stand out from the crowd. First off, its compact size is perfect for those who prefer to travel light. Whether you're hitting the streets for some urban photography or embarking on a short trip, this bag has you covered. Constructed from durable 16 ounces canvas and featuring PE foam padding, this bag ensures that your precious gear stays safe from bumps and shocks. Plus, with its water-resistant design and included rain cover, you can shoot with peace of mind even in unpredictable weather conditions. But wait, there's more. The TULLIO small camera bag isn't just for cameras. With its versatile design, it can easily transform into an everyday shoulder bag or even a leisure purse for daily use. Talk about functionality. Accessing your gear on the go has never been easier thanks to the bag's clamshell opening and double-way zipper. Plus, the padded and adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit for photographers of all sizes. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the TULLIO small camera bag, praising its spaciousness, water resistance, and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this bag is sure to impress. And there you have it, folks. The TULLIO small camera bag for photographers is truly a game changer in the world of camera accessories. So why settle for anything less? Elevate your photography experience with this must-have bag today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy shooting!